Does the weight of a Frisbee affect how far it flies? I think that if the Frisbee weighs less, it'll fly farther.
My hypothesis is that if the disc has more weight, it will fly farther.
For this experiment, you'll need a Frisbee, and we are using a plastic ultimate Frisbee disc.
Next, you will also need one tape measure to measure out the distance the Frisbee flies.
So to add weight to the disc, you need to use quarters. So we used up to 9 quarters, so before beginning the experiment, you should gather around 9 quarters.
So you will also need packing tape to tape the quarters onto the Frisbee so they don't fly off when you're throwing it.
First, you need to measure 20 feet with your tape measure. When you get to 20 feet, mark it off with the sign 20 so you know when you throw the Frisbee how far you've thrown it.
Each time you add more weight, do the trial with that amount of weight 5 times and then get an average with all the numbers. Now for the control group, throw a plain disc with no added quarters onto it and measure the distance it flies. Next, add 1 quarter in the center of the disc to give the Frisbee more weight. Then throw the disc and record the distance. After adding 1 quarter, gradually add more weight and add 5 quarters onto the disc. Now throw the disc with 5 quarters and measure. Now for the final test, add 9 quarters onto the disc. Now that the disc has 9 quarters, throw it and measure the distance it flies. With the data from each group, take all the numbers and find an average for the inches per group.
The reason why the Frisbee flew less distance when there were more quarters added was because the drag overpowered the lift and caused it to fly downwards.
My hypothesis was not supported by my results because when we added more coins onto the disc, it traveled less distance.
My hypothesis was supported because the Frisbee flew further when there were fewer quarters on it.